star group. Allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Dea Chandra Indrawan. Beside of me.
My name is Arifan Siara Ibadi.
My name is Muhammad Fahri Raisa Ashita.
My name is Chanisha Azaka.
And my name is Danis Laskadaya Pratama.
Stars are celestial bodies that emit their own light and heat due to nuclear reaction within their cores. They do not reflect light like planets. Stars are composed of hot gas called plasma. Its main composition is hydrogen plus minus 17 to 75%, to the most abundant element helium plus minus 24 to 28%. Other element plus minus 1 to 2% include carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, iron. The energy of stars comes from nuclear fusion reaction in the star's core. Nuclear fusion is the process of combining two like atomic nuclei into a heavier atomic nucleus, which produces enormous amounts of energy. Proxima Centauri, the closest star from the Earth. Proxima Centauri is the closest star to Earth after the Sun. It is located in the Alpha Centauri system, the closest star system to our solar system. It is approximately 4.24 light years away. This means that light from Proxima takes 4.24 years to reach Earth. This is still considered close in terms of the universe, but still very far away for humans. It is a red dwarf star, size smaller than the Sun. Color its light is dimmer, therefore Proxima Centauri cannot be seen with the naked. Unique characteristic: it frequently experiences energy burst flares. These bursts can make its light suddenly brighter, but they are also dangerous for surrounding planets. Sirius is the brightest star in the night sky visible from Earth. It is located in the constellation Canis Major, the Big Dog. Alternative names: Alpha Canis Majoris distant from Earth plus minus 8.6 light years magnitude. Brightness mean 1.46, very bright constellation. Canis Major system type: binary star, Sirius A and Sirius B. Unique characteristic: the brightest star in the night sky, one of the closest star to Earth, and easily found as a landmark in the sky. Now we will study about a constellation. A constellation is a group of stars in the sky that appear to form a specific pattern or image when viewed from Earth. These patterns are usually named after their such as animals, mythological figures, or objects. However, the stars within a constellation are not always close together in space. They only appear to be close together because of our perspective from Earth. Example of famous constellation: Orion, the Hunter, usually recognized by three elegant stars, Orion's Belt. Ursa Major, the Bear, has a Big Dipper. Scorpius, the Scorpion. Crux, the Southern Cross, often used a directional indicator in the southern hemisphere. Rigel is one of the brightest stars in the night sky and is part of the constellation Orion. It's called Rigel. It's located in the constellation Orion at the foot of Orion. It's blue-white in color, indicating it's very hot. Actually, there are many other stars in our galaxy, such as Betelgeuse, Bellatrix, and Cyp in the Orion constellation. Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, and Barnard star are some of the closest stars to Earth.
We arrive at the Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of our solar system. It is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma that provides the energy necessary to sustain life on Earth.
The Sun is composed of a massive ball of gases, primarily hydrogen 46% and helium 22%, with the remaining of 2% made up of other elements. As the only star in our solar system, the Sun is also the closest one to Earth. Its characteristics are shown in the table below. Rotation on its axis at the equator, 25.38 Earth days. Mass, 1.99 by 10 power of 30 kilogram. Density, 1.41 gram centimeters min 3. Surface gravity of the Sun, 27.9 by surface gravity of Earth. Diameter, 109 by diameter of Earth. Distance from Earth, 149.6 million kilometers. Temperature of the surface, 5,500 degrees Celsius. Temperature of the core, 15 million degrees Celsius. Time taken for its legs to reach the Earth, 8 minutes. Solar prominence. Solar prominence are large, bright features that extend out from the Sun's surface in a ring shape and can contain plasma, hydrogen, and helium gases. They typically last for several days or months. Solar flares. Solar flares are explosions of hot gas that occur in the chromosphere layer. During a flare, charged particles such as electrons, protons, and gamma rays are released. Flares usually occur near sunspots and last for a few minutes or hours. Sunspots. Sunspots are dark regions on the photosphere. They appear darker than their surroundings because they are cooler and emit less light. They typically last for a few weeks and are associated with strong magnetic fields. While sunspots do not cause droughts on Earth directly, they are sometimes associated with changes in the sun's activity that can affect our planet's climate. Solar wind. Solar wind is a stream of charged particles including electrons, protons, and alpha particles that flows outward from the Sun and follows the solar system. The solar wind can reach speeds of hundreds of kilometers per second and interacts with the Earth's magnetic field to create a protective bubble called the magnetosphere. Inner layer of the Sun. Inner layer, core, the center of the Sun, where energy is produced through nuclear reaction. Radiation zone. Energy from the core moves outward in the form of radiation. Convection zone. Energy is transferred by the movement of hot gases rising and colder gases sinking. Outer layers. Atmosphere. Photosphere. The visible surface of the Sun. Chromosphere, the layer above the protoplasm that appears reddish. Corona, the outermost layer very hot and visible during a solar eclipse. Phenomena that occur. Solar flare, a powerful explosion of energy. Sunspot, a dark spot on the surface of the Sun. Prominence, a large globe of hot gas extending from the Sun. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Sun has a layered structure that works together to produce and transfer energy from its core to space. Conclusion.